Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have one more temple. We have more than 2000 videos on YouTube, and I think more than 500 are temple alone. And every time we come up with a different design of temple because temples are customized units. Customized means they are made as per your requirement, and this is one of the best examples because I'll show you each part, how it is decided, how the customer has every part of it is customized. I'll explain it one by one. Before that, our social media manager was right here, and he asked me to ask you to please subscribe our channel. I don't really like that to say, but I believe if you like our stuff, you definitely will like the video and subscribe the channel. This is handwork, hand art, and the temples, the home temples we are making for the global Sanatan followers and sending across the globe. So let me show you the temple, then we'll discuss about the points. The first point is this is made in teak wood, honey finished. You can see here the temple here from this side to this side is 38 inches, exact size as the client wanted. And front to back, it has two parts. If you can see, this elephant here is outside the unit, and then we have a curve here. So till this curve front to back, we have 30 inches, 2.5 feet, and a couple of inches the elephant is coming out. Around 33 inches, this unit is completely taking space on the floor. The height of the platform is 20 inches, 20. Then we have 3.5 feet of garbhagriha height, 42 inches, and 2 feet above this with the gopuram design, as you can see. So approximately 7 feet total height, and then the designing part. Now the client wanted something specific for everything, just like the elephant design. He picked up a design and given it to us, and he wanted it to be in a particular size. So accordingly, we have done it. Now you can see the longer legs, the flowing trunk, the ears coming out. This is how the elephant is designed. The middle part, middle section, he wanted in the shape of that lotus. So you can see the lotus carving here. Both the drawers, this is a drawer, and the curve you can see in the middle. And similarly, the diya tray in the middle, we have got in the similar shape, and one drawer underneath. This is about the platform. Now on the platform, he wanted railings on both the sides, two designs like these, and then this separate part that we have created. Three things customized on the platform itself. Now coming to the back part, we have a design here and half pillar here. This is exactly the size the client has given, and in between these two pillars, he wanted a crown. So you can see a crown in the middle. The crown is here. On the top part, this design, again this crown strip, as you can see, and this design inside, the client has given the drawing, and accordingly we have done it. The gopuram is a classical gopuram. This is from several other temples he has picked, and this is the gopuram we have created. Now in the entire unit, the sizes, the design, the left to right size, front to back size, the middle garbhagriha size, and even the top size is decided by the client. He has given us, we have completed it. Other interesting thing is about the step part. This took a lot of time to create because we had to understand the complete design. He wanted this to be in a particular shape because he has a murti that is designed like this. The base is in the oval shape. So we got the exact dimensions of the oval shape, and we created this shape. And then these petals are again the lotus petals are carved on the sides. The height of this step is 2 inches, and the size as given by the client. So though it looks very simple, very small thing, but again we have to understand the requirement completely to get this thing done. And this is how the entire unit is created in teak wood, teak natural finish, and the output is right here. The most important point I'm trying to convey here is this is the most important part of our homes. A home that is created by the grace of our devtas, our Bhagwan, who has given us everything that we have in our lives. And we always want something really beautiful, really amazing for the place that we have dedicated in our homes to our devtas, our Bhagwan. When something like this is created, it requires a lot of devotion, and your energies and your liking and the place and everything that is involved. And the best part is, I like to thank Dr. Saab, whose temple this is. He has invested a lot of time with us to explain every finer point, that this is what I want, this is how I want. Because sometimes when we communicate over the phone, or on WhatsApp or in emails. There are slight things that we need to understand properly. So whenever we have a query, we asked him. He has given us the response. He told us that this is how I want it. This is how I am looking forward to it. And finally, we have created the unit. Just now we have sent the pictures to him after putting this unit like this, and he is very happy with the output. Now this will pack it and send it to his place. And the other part is, this is the second order from the same client. Earlier he got a bigger temple, and now he ordered a smaller temple. And that also suggests that the kind of work we are doing, only a happy client gives a repeat order and references as well. So this is the second order of a temple from the same client, same place, and the work is complete. More than 500 designs already on YouTube, on our website, in different sizes, colors. Depends what you like. So you let us know what you want, how you want it. We will make it like that and deliver to your home, in India or out of India, wherever you are, at factory prices. Because we are making it, you are receiving it at your home. No commission agent, no trader, no extra money going outside, and the best work you can get anywhere. In the temples, Aarsun has the biggest range available anywhere across the world. And the best part again, as per your choice, everything. Size, design, color, pattern. You want to add something, you want something else, some changes in that, let us know, we will do that. And for references, we have thousands of pictures in the testimonials, and so many social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. We have posted so much stuff. So check what you like, decide what you like, let us know, and let us make a beautiful temple for your devtas, for your Bhagwan, the best place in your home dedicated to the Almighty. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.